Well, hello. You know, I welcome my new subscribers. I'm so sorry. I'm terrible about that. For some reason, I think that people follow me forever. Arrogant, I'm sure. But I wanted to show you my grow room here. We've been cleaning, so I picked up the mylar. And, we've been cleaning. So, basically, I got a lot of fans. A dehumidifier, I got it empty. Just trying to grow things in the house. People can grow all kinds of things in tents and closets and everywhere else. Well, I thought, why can't I grow a tomato? And this is this is the one I started with. I started with a tomato. And he's looking a little pale, but he's getting some more. I cut him back a great deal. And these are the babies. But I thought, why not? I took a tomato I got from my local grocery store, and I took the seed out, and I rooted it out, and I think I started this 3 years ago now. And I've got my inline fan. You know, I have a water drip irrigation system I got to put in here. It takes me about 2 to 3 gallons every other day. And my cilantro, can you see that? Not bad. That's reseeding from the last time. My spinach now. I'm wondering, when can I take some off of here? I'm really curious about that. Ooh, I think that's bolting. We can't have that. I don't know why it's doing that. It's a 12-hour on and 12-hour off in this room. But spinach, they say, is hard to grow because it'll bolt. So hopefully it won't keep doing that. But maybe I should pick some off. I'm not too sure, but I'm really proud of that. Really proud of that. Now my onions, one on this side. I hope you can hear me. I'm really sorry, but it's really loud in here. But I had to come in while the lights were out. My tomato with a heart. You know, I've been working on her a lot lately. Because see, she's getting really dry on the middle. But she's really full. I think so. Here, let me give you a... I mean, that's amazing, actually. Well, my daughter-in-law gave me that. But it's a little cherry tomato, and when you cut it open, there's a little heart inside. It's really cute. I like it. These are my other onions. One lonely onion. But I planted a whole bunch in here, and I'm hoping of seed, and I'm hoping they'll come up, because look at here. Oh, we got carrots. Radish. And I planted a sugar baby watermelon in there. But do you see what I mean by the shadow of the light? That's normally a tent where you'd put a plant if you had a light hanging up in here. But yeah, I can't do that. It kills my neck. But what I do is I put the other plants in here like this. See? My lettuce. See? It's in the shadow of the light. Because the light is way up here. And I put it over here. And it gets enough light and it's happy. But I was going to show you my grow room again because I had to clean it. And I thought, well, while I'm cleaning it, I might as well start my plant review. And just show you. I want to grow more things in here, so I'm trying to expand it out some for the shadow of the light. It's ever changing. I'm just trying to get everything to where I can get to it a little bit easier. And everything's looking a lot better. Let me show you. Now, this is exceptional to me because my canna is coming back. See? Can you see that in there? And my English ivy, my parsley, and my calla lily. Oh, and my succulent section. This one here I highlighted. Oh, I found it. I was having a bad day. And I was looking through it because I was making all these tags up. And I was feeling overwhelmed repotting all these plants. And I went, oh, what's those little antennae? Well, they're not. I don't know what they are exactly, but it's called the string of tears. And this is a hanging plant, a hanging succulent. So it's going to be interesting. Do these hang out? I'm not too sure, but I thought that was pretty interesting. I have to repot all of my little tiny ones here before my new ones come. But I'm enjoying it. It's very enjoyable. And this is my Mark. You know, I don't know what to think of him sometimes, but I'm going to go ahead and cut a few of the longer pieces off and try to reroot him. I think he just had a bad start or something. Not too sure. More of my succulents from last time. But check this out. Have you ever done this? You just take your green onion when you're done with them and stick them in water, and they'll continue to grow for you. Not a whole lot has changed. Oh, but look at that nice flower. This is the geranium my mother gave me. Oh, I think it's breathtaking. Everything else is doing pretty well. I don't have anything really to say about them. This is my third plant room, sorry. But see, my light posts are doing pretty well. They're actually thriving and growing more since I took them out of my little fairy garden. And these are my bigger succulents from the first time. And those are the succulents I pulled out from my little fairy garden. They seem to be doing much better as well. It's kind of sad. The alocasia's hanging in there. Come here, you. He shot me a new leaf, and I'm hoping, because I cut off all the rest of the dead stuff, I'm hoping he'll do better. But, you know, that's pretty much it for this time. Hopefully I can expand this room a little bit more and show you what I've been doing. I did redo my potatoes. I put them up a little higher in the pot, and I did plant my tulips into soil. But I can show you how to do that at some other time. I just wanted to give you a brief update of what's going on in my garden. Now you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and you know I will as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.